What is going on, my stock market bulls and bears? I'm your host, Terry. Welcome to the channel. Buy the dip, that's right, guys. In today's video, we finally got them. That's right. We got those 2020 revenues out, and I'm excited to bring them to you. And it's just hard to believe with these great revenues, we're not getting any movement. But you know what? We're already used to that, man. If you've been in Gnog as long as me, back in LCA, I've been buying this since early July, and we know how this stock works. You get phenomenal news, nothing happens. You get amazing news, nothing happens. And out of nowhere, one day it just pops, and then it comes back down. But we're kind of used to that. But this thing is going to take off sooner or later, guys. I'm just hanging on to what I got. We got to go over these 2020 revenues that they got. And we got to go over some more great information that someone just bought a big boatload of shares today after hours. So someone really like something in this to buy this after hours, and we're going to cover all that in today's video, guys. First link down below is Webull. Download that link, deposit $100, get yourself some free stock, help your portfolio grow. So guys, let's get to the video, baby. Let's go. All right, guys, and here is the Robinhood portfolio. Just wanted to run down here real quick. Looking pretty good. We are up about $135 today on the portfolio, guys. We are almost cracking that $9,200. We are on the road to 10K. At one point, we were at $93.41, so the portfolio is going real good. On the 1 week, we are up $187, up 2%. On the 1 month, we are up 28%, up $2,021. On the 3 month, we are up 74%, up $3,916. And on the 1 year, as you see right there, up 78%, up $4,000. I love being transparent with you guys. As you see in this portfolio, I put $5,160 of my own cash, and this bad boy is worth $9,200. That is a phenomenal return to be up 78%. But let's take a look at Gnog. What's that doing for us? Sitting right now at $18.60. As you guys know, I still got my 110 shares here on Robinhood at an average cost of $13.14. Currently, we are up 41%. We're up $600 on that investment. I also have 135 shares on my Fidelity account at around $13.80, I believe, average cost for 135 shares. So that is pretty good as well. All right, guys, here is the phenomenal news. Golden Nugget Online Gaming reports record 2020 revenue. See strong momentum in Michigan and strengthens the leadership team. Guys, this came out at 7 a.m. this morning, and I just don't understand when this article come out, like what's going on, why isn't this stock going up? But let's just go over this, man. The reported preliminary financial results for the full year of 2020. For the 12 months ending December 31st, 2020, Gnog reported the following unaudited estimates. Total revenue between $90 million and $91 million compared to $55.4 million in 2019, an increase of 63%. That is amazing. Gross gaming revenue between $101 and $102 million compared to $60.9 million during the same period in 2019, an increase of 67%. Operating income between $23 and $24 million, between $28 and $29 million before the approximate $4 and $5 million in costs related to the business combination with Landcadia Holdings compared to $17.6 million in 2019, an increase of 38%. Or approximately 62% before the business combination cost. Here we go. This is a quote from my man Tillman, my brother. We are pleased with yet another year of rapid and profitable growth. 2020 was a transformational year for Gnog, which went public, reached $100 million in gross gaming revenue, and signed a market access agreement with multiple states. We look forward to replicating our New Jersey success in many other states and taking advantage of the strong growth that is the online gaming in the U.S., said Tillman. Down here is great. On January 22nd, Gnog started its online operations in Michigan in partnership with the Ojibwa Casino. After a soft launch in January, Gnog is quickly ramping up its online casino marketing investment, seeing tremendous momentum in player acquisition and revenue. Thomas Winter, the president of Gnog, added, "We are thrilled to be live in Michigan, and we are optimistic of the revenue opportunity. We have just launched our marketing campaign and we are already recording close to $2 million in daily casino wagers. Guys, let that sink in. Thomas Winter just said, we just launched our marketing campaign and we are already recording close to $2 million in daily casino wagers. That is nuts, guys. So if you're doing $2 million daily and you go over a month, that's like $60 million in casino wagers. Michigan is embracing the online gaming at a rapid pace, and we anticipate that our business in the Great Lakes states will exceed our earlier expectation. Gnog is pleased to announce that the online gaming industry veteran Kevin Vonatsky joined the company as its Vice President of Corporate Development. In his new role, Mr. Vonatsky will drive the company's expansion into new states and work on a broad range of strategic innovations, including addition of exclusive innovative products. He was formerly the Chief Product Officer of America's NYX Gaming Group and VP of the Business Development America's Scientific Games Digital. Mr. Vonatsky has a high regarded in the gaming digital sports betting industry. This is what we need. I know sports betting is not a huge amount of money in a sense, but there's a lot of exposure with sports betting. So I like that we acquired someone for the sports betting. This is phenomenal. Kevin holds a perfect mix of product, commercial, entrepreneurial expertise that we're looking for. He will play a key role in our ambitious extension plan, said Thomas Winter. And right here, Kevin said that for many years I've held Golden Nugget team and their accomplishments in my highest regard. I'm very excited to join the team and looking forward to helping Gnog expand into its market leading positions across every U.S. iGaming market. That there is phenomenal, guys. If you don't know here, as you can see about Golden Nugget Online Gaming, they're a leading company that's considered a market leader by its peers to bring the live dealer, live casino floor to the United States online gaming market. Gnog was the recipient of the 15 e-gaming North America awards, including the coveted Operator of the Year 2017, 18, 19, and 20. Woo! That is amazing. 4 years in a row, guys. They have got this here. This is a phenomenal article. These revenues are phenomenal. But for some reason, the stock price just doesn't move with that. But here's some other great news I want to go over. Man, I love StockTwits. This stuff is phenomenal. There's a lot of great resources on StockTwits. And I'm going to go to that right now, and we're going to go over some StockTwits stuff. Someone here shared this. Look at this here. Delman here said, someone just picked up 200K shares after hours. A $3.7 million investment. And here is the chart he has. Oh, sorry why it's looking like that. There we go. But here it is, as you can see. The big spike right there, he has it right there. And wow, that is pretty amazing, guys. So that to me is like someone put $3.7 million in and $18 in some share. That there keeps me positive. So here someone says, everyone was wondering about that 200K share order. That was me. But yeah, that there is crazy, guys. A lot of great stuff here for Gnog. People sharing the articles here. And I don't know. This is just really crazy that we're putting out this great news and just not really getting any action on it. But you know what? One day in the market, man, this thing's going to take off. And I got all my shares. I have 245 shares between Fidelity and Robinhood. I'm not buying anymore. I'm not selling any. I'm just hanging on to it. And I'm waiting for the pop. That's what I'm doing, man. I know we're going to get there. I still got that $30 price point on the short term. Hoping by June or July we can get there, man. That would be phenomenal. I still want to do those covered calls on my shares here on Robinhood. Let's go take a look real quick. What is the covered calls looking at right now? If I go to Trade Gnog Options, and I want to sell a call right now, and if I do the February 19th strike price, it looks like I'm only going to get $68 in premium for a $20 strike price. So in order for me to break even, this would have to be below $20.68 in order for me to keep my shares and keep that $68 profit. But for me, no my luck, I would lock in this covered call, and this thing would shoot $25 and I'd lose out a lot of money. So for $68, I'm not willing to keep these shares on lock for 11 more days. I mean, knowing our luck, this thing has been trading sideways, but knowing my luck, it'll be the time that this thing takes off $25, and I don't want to be stuck selling my shares at $20 when this thing will be up to $25, man. So whether I'm right or wrong, time will tell, but I'm going to hang on to what I got. And maybe that last couple days beforehand, maybe like that Tuesday or Wednesday before the 19th, I could try to do a $20 strike and see what the premium is. But we'll see. If it goes up higher, I'll be happy with that. I'd be happy doing like a $25 strike and maybe getting $50, $60 in premium. That would be phenomenal. So guys, hope you all enjoyed this video. I know you all been looking forward to those 2020 revenues, and they're finally out, man. They are phenomenal, and the stock is doing nothing wrong. People were saying that, man, they don't have a commercial out for the Super Bowl, but they did have radio commercials out. So they did pay for radio commercials out in the Super Bowl, and hopefully that will pay off here in the long run. These phenomenal numbers can only be beaten down so long, and this stock is reminding me of one that is called Home, H-O-M-E. That stock had phenomenal growth, phenomenal numbers, and it just kept getting beat down, beat down, beat down. And one day, man, Home took off to the moon. I can see the same thing happening with Gnog. You can only beat down this great stock so long before this thing takes off to the moon, and it's going to be gone. So, I mean, just check out Home nowadays, guys. Home was down around, was it $15, $18? Now that thing is up freaking crazy. So, guys, I will catch you all in the next one. Remember to buy the dip, baby. Let's go.